In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new FTP account in Hostinger's hPanel, an important step in managing files for your website efficiently. Being able to use FTP, which stands for File Transfer Protocol, allows you to upload, download, and manage all of your site's files directly from your computer, whether you're transferring large batches of files or just doing some lightweight maintenance. Mastering FTP can save a lot of time and headaches. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're not already familiar, hPanel is Hostinger's custom web hosting management dashboard, designed to make your website management as seamless as possible. After logging in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the main interface, which provides a range of tools and options. For our purpose today, you'll want to direct your attention to the File section in your dashboard menu. Here, find an option labeled FTP Accounts. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can manage all your current FTP accounts or create new ones. The beauty of having multiple FTP accounts is that you can customize each one for different tasks or users, granting access to just the necessary directories, which enhances both security and workflow. Now, on the FTP accounts page, look for the button that says Add FTP Account. It should be easily visible on this page, inviting you to create a new connection. Click on this button, and you'll be guided to a new form where you can set up your desired FTP account details. In the form, you'll need to enter a username. Choose something that's both unique and easily identifiable, especially if you plan on creating multiple accounts. After that, it's time to set a password. Make sure it's strong, comprising a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure security. Remember, your FTP account acts like a key to the locks on your files and directories, hence, keeping it fortified is crucial. Additionally, you'll be asked to assign a specific directory to this account. This step is important because it restricts the account's access to only the files within the designated directory, offering an extra layer of protection for your other files. If you're unsure which directory to assign, it's always safe to start with public atmel if your main aim is to manage files for your website. Once you've filled out these details, go ahead and click Save. Your new FTP account is now ready for use. The final part of the process involves using these credentials to connect via your preferred FTP client like FileZilla or CyberDuck. Simply enter the newly created username and password and the host information provided by Hostinger, and you should be able to access your site's files in no time. And there you have it, a succinct yet comprehensive guide on creating an FTP account in Hostinger's hPanel. By following these easy steps, you now have powerful, direct control over your website's file management. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.